The RAL starts with as an individual process of evolution where we all individually connect and practice RAL every day, and then slowly we all connect together to the same universal cosmic love that fills us up and overflows from all of us together as a group and spreads across the world. This is a beautiful way, and today we would love to share that joy with everyone here on this auspicious occasion of Guru Purnima.
So people are often confused. What is this inner consciousness? Who is Isalak? Essentially, Isalak is your true inner self, your inner source of wisdom. So when we start our Ral practice, it helps bridge the gap between who you are right now and that inner source of wisdom that lies dormant within you. The gap gets closer and closer every time you practice Ral. Every time we go through this gradual cleansing process on the body, mind, and spirit level, which is essentially what RAL is, it gradually opens up this realm of pure, unadulterated, magical love. It's the purest form of love that a human being could possibly experience in their lifetime. That experience, that explains the feeling of bliss and joy we get once we end our RAL session.
We've all experienced that joy, that calmness, and we are less anxious and more at peace with ourselves and how we handle things in our lives simply by being regular practitioners of RAL. There are many blessings that different people have experienced based on their needs, and each one's spiritual journey is unique. Even though we all do the same 10 steps, the way we connect to our inner consciousness guides us to evolve as and how we need every moment of life.
And on this very special occasion of Guru Purnima, we all would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude. Thank you is a word that falls short, but we all would love to express that gratitude to Guruji, Guru Maitreya, for initiating us into this process, for introducing the world of Ral to us in order to help us walk on the path of light. So thank you so much, Guruji, from all of us.
Thank you, Master.
I'm DC Prabhakar. My daughter Pooja initiated me into RAL meditation, and I've undergone this meditation for the past several weeks. I can feel a real transformation in me. It has immensely helped me in controlling my imbalance issue, which has bothered me for quite some time. After each session of meditation, I feel energetic and experience an inner peace, and I had never experienced it earlier. This system of meditation is a real boon for people of my age, as it demands a minimal physical effort but gives enormous benefits. On the occasion of Guru Purnima, I offer my salutation to Guru Maitreya Ji, who initiated me into this meditation. I wish and pray that the benefits of this meditation reach more and more people and provide them succor, especially this post-pandemic period.
Namaskar Maitreya ji, pranams. During this entire pandemic period, it has been both a privilege and an honor to see the selfless, unbiased work done by you, right from feeding the hungry all the way to healing those who were suffering. In a very unbiased and a selfless manner, you have inspired us to do the same and very patiently taught us many of the benefits of RAL that each of us experience either very visibly on a day-to-day basis or in a very subtle manner. So in this, on the special occasion of Guru Purnima, I wish to thank you for everything that you do and for bestowing us with this avenue to gain the instant connection with the source of energy. And I also thank you for all the grace and the blessings bestowed upon us. Thank you, Maitreya ji.
Namaskar. I was initiated into RAL by our Gurudev. He had sent me the notes and asked me to practice. But I had no inkling what it was, and I was not practicing it properly. Later, when I joined the group and we started practicing in group, I realized it was a another game changer. And when I started practicing regularly, I started to feel more. My physical and mental health made a great progress. I used to suffer from very bad hives, and Gurudev's blessings and grace, my attacks have reduced tremendously. Now I'm accepting situations as it is, and I'm able to face it in a better frame of mind. No more blame games, and if I fail, I always blame myself and not others. I'm able to pause and relish moments with nature, moments with people. My sense of smell has heightened a lot. I'm able to balance my mind even after some turbulence that takes place within me. Right from the time I met Gurudev, I knew it is him and him. And I'm very, very grateful to have a living Sadguru who is guiding me and my family. And I hope to be a worthy disciple. Whatever I do or say is insufficient. Thank you.
Namaskar Guruji. At the onset, I would like to wish you a very happy Guru Purnima. I feel very blessed for having practiced RAL. I'm fresher in RAL. It's been 4 months since I'm practicing it. RAL has actually brought me a lot of stability, lot of patience in me. So thank you so much for showering your blessings. Once again, I wish you a very happy Guru Purnima, Guruji. Namaskar.
Thank you for all the guidance and blessings, Maitreya ji. Thank you so much and happy Guru Purnima.
Thank you, Guru Maitreya ji. Happy Guru Purnima.
Pranam Guruji. Thank you for being in my life and guiding me and are always there for me whenever I have needed you. आपको शत शत बारंबार प्रणाम गुरुजी. Thank you so much. Thank you. On this Guru Purnima, I salute. I don't know what else. I can't express any words. It has been a bliss to be with you, Guruji. Thank you. Pranam.
On the occasion of Guru Purnima, I extend my gratitude from the bottom of my heart for all the guidance and hand-holding I have received since my initiation into RAL. Personally, my experience of RAL has been that I have seen myself developing a calmer demeanor and willingness to let go of situation and people who no longer serve a purpose in my life. I have also seen myself being open to newer experiences and be less anxious about what's going to happen in the future. On this occasion, I wish that our tribe increases and more people get to experience RAL. Namaste.
Namaskara. It is very helpful for us, the online sessions.
And we are truly blessed to get your guidance, Guruji. Thank you. Happy Guru Purnima.
Happy Guru Purnima.
Namaskar all. I thank Guru Maitreya ji and the lineage for all the blessings. In this, I have started RAL like around 12 days ago, and I've got a lot to learn, and for now I'm sharing a brief on the experience that I have had. So to start with, I have noticed or observed an improvement in the eyesight, the depthness, the clarity has improved, the nasal tract, the smell has also improved, and along with this also the hearing. I can hear low frequency sounds, probably earlier which I could never hear. I never could even imagine that I can hear low frequency sounds to start with. That has been an improvement in an area which I least expected, because for past couple of years I've been having tremors, So like right now you could see the phone that I'm holding is slightly shaking, but it was far worse before I started RAL, and now the tremors have reduced dramatically. That's why I'm holding with the right hand. I'm not even holding with my left hand for that matter, for additional support. Along with this, my awareness has improved. It has heightened to extents where my productivity and in work has improved, where earlier the same amount of work would take me around 15 hours to complete would now take less than 8 hours with sufficient breaks. This, along with a clear thought process in helping me segregate work, segregate or have a more clarity in thoughts in problem solving in various areas. So this is just a few to start with. The awareness has also helped me in areas where I can connect with people, something I never imagined that I could do such a thing, but I have experienced this. And I have also noticed I can keep track of which state of mind I am in while I'm sleeping, whether I'm getting into a deeper state of mind or not. Everything I'm able to notice. So these are just a few changes and few improvements I have experienced personally only with a 12 days of RAL. I once again thank Guru Maitreya Ji and the lineage for blessing me with healing and awareness. And again, these are the changes that I have not anticipated, neither I have asked for these kind of changes. These changes have just been happening. So once again, thank you Guru Maitreya Ji and the lineage for the blessings.
Namaskaram, my name is Akshaya Sairam and I've been practicing RAL for the past 4 years, and today I'd love to share my experience with RAL on this wonderful and very blessed occasion of Guru Purnima. So for me, initially it started off as a very mechanical, series of different poses, and I was rote learning the chants that would coincide with each pose. And I tried to just get through it. So I wanted to be disciplined about it. So I would force myself to do it once a day, and I would just go through the poses, very mechanically shift from this to this, and it was going through that. But now, after 4 years of regular practice, I believe you me, the practice has changed so much. It's become this effortless experience of pure utter magic. So I don't know how to explain this. So we all know that we know our hearts work involuntarily. We know that our food digests involuntarily, but we've never seen our skeletal muscles move involuntarily. And this is something I've seen happen during RAL. I've seen my hands go through the Sufi-like mannerism, and even my body starts moving through the Sufi-like mannerism. I'm not controlling it. If I wanted to go into a certain position, it wouldn't allow me. It would go through its own set of poses, its own set of movements. And seeing that happen in a very, very live, like in real time, it got me wondering, like, what really are we controlling? If this also is happening from like a cosmic level, what really are we quote unquote in control of, if you think about it? So yeah, so right now, when I do RAL, or when I hear the mere mention of it and someone's like, oh, I'm doing RAL, I feel these feelings of warmth, comfort and familiarity take over me. It's like my safe space, it's my safe haven, if I can call it that. And yeah, so right now I'm going through it, I'm still learning, it's still unfolding in a very, very beautiful way. That's the thing about RAL, Like, you think once you reach something this incredible in the phase of RAL, where your hands start moving, you would expect this fast track to open up to divine, or this, this HD quality communication pathway to open up. But it's not like that. It's so subtle, just like how our world is. You can think of it as a hologram of the world. It never pushes you, it's never overwhelming, it's never too eager to let its secrets loose all of a sudden in like a matter of a few seconds. It's been 4 years and I'm still not even halfway there. I know there's a long way to go, and I'm so excited to be in this journey, because it's through this process of discovering RAL, it's actually a process of self-discovery. So I'm super excited for that. I'm super excited to keep learning, and I hope for everyone to experience what I'm experiencing, because it's truly a once in a lifetime. If we get this in our lifetimes, we should really truly be very blessed to be experiencing this. So I'd love to thank Guruji for introducing me to this, for initiating all of us into RAL, and for taking us.
Namaskar. My name is Sarita and I am a RAL practitioner. I have been practicing RAL for 5 years now. I love doing RAL every day. It's a part of my life. I connect to Isalak and Isal for everything, and it's been a series of interesting experiences and wonderful blessings these past 5 years ever since I've learned RAL. I want to thank Maitreyaji for introducing us to the way of Krai Alila Tatin and the way of light, RAL, where we simply connect to our inner consciousness to connect to the divine. It makes me feel so much at home and at peace within myself that all my spiritual queries are no longer there. I would like to say my heartfelt thanks on the occasion of Guru Purnima. Thank you, Maitreya.
Pranams. Blessed with many Dikshas from Maitreyaji since 2006. After receiving Royal Diksha, the light way, connecting to core, could experience the changes happening in the natural way at many levels within and around on practicing. It's absolutely the beauty of the divine connection which keeps purifying within and around in a flow naturally, keeping us alive. Initially, when said or discussed about energy, matter, and connecting to consciousness, it was Greek and Latin indeed. Then, on practicing and on experiencing the connection that exists, it was really awesome and wonderful indeed. Awareness pitched in that not to limit the existing life to form alone and keep losing yourself. Rael, a simple reveal prayer shared with us on regular practice, allows and brings in peace, balancing in emotions and harmony, and many more, definitely. Recently had been blessed and received the teacher's Diksha, which is absolutely a pure learning and teaching to myself by guiding the seekers of truth in the lineage path with all the reference under the guidance of Maitreyaji. Really grateful and thankful for all the blessings in this journey and to everyone who had been supportive to me in this blissful journey. Thank you so much, Maitreyaji, and pranams.
Happy Guru Purnima, Maitreyaji.
We send you much love from Finland.
Pranams, Maitreyaji. This Guru Purnima, the first time I got to see you, an elder in the family had asked me to chant this. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. We are so blessed to be guided constantly with all the patience thus, and it's been an amazing journey. And we are ever so grateful, Maitreyaji. And regarding our experience after the initiation of RAL, there are two things that I would love to share with everyone. So I have grown up with few stories that got stuck with me was about Meera and Ramana Maharishi. And I always wanted to emulate the personalities, and I thought that's the easiest way to get to the divine. And when I used to read more and more, I was inspired, but I knew the journey was so tough, and it was all about austerity, a surrender, giving up. And this, at thought levels, got things so complicated. I always thought life was so complex until Ral happened. And then slowly the definitions of what is piousness, sin, and what are the journeys. Then there came as a realization from within that each journey is so unique and there cannot be an emulation. It just happens from within. And life is so beautiful and life is so simple. And the other thing, whenever some things used to happen which was like, wow, something impossible has happened. Whenever we used to mention that to Maitreya ji, he always used to say, why are you looking up for miracles? Because you're the miracle. And though it made sense as words, the realization happens now after the RAL, and even more so with the COVID happening all around. Breath, breathing, this moment is a miracle. And we are indebted to you for all the blessings of the innumerable grace, Maitreya ji. Thank you.
Namaskaram. My name is Ajanta. I live in Singapore. I'm sister of Rama Naidu, whom you all know as Rama. Though my brother is in this path of RAL since long, I have never shown any interest to join in these sessions. I used to listen about Guruji and all RAL, about all these things from my brother, but never keen to join in these sessions. But recently I have met with an accident where my T12 vertebrae was fractured, and later on I became somewhat like bedridden, and I could not even walk without any help. I used to walk with the help of stick and braces. Even my movements are very limited, with very limited movements, only just to washroom and all. It continued for 2 weeks like that. Later on, my brother Rama advised me to join in RAL sessions, as new RAL session started at that time. So then instantaneously I too said okay, as I thought if not now then never. I thought I should use this disastrous time in a positive way, and joined in that RAL session. They were Lalita ji and Sarita ji guided us in that session. And I observed within 2 days of RAL session, I could see lot of difference in my pain relief and even in my movement also. Within 2 days, my stick disappeared. Without the help of stick, I could walk. And by the end of the week, even my braces also got disappeared. I was not using my braces also. I could walk normally without anybody's help. I could walk by myself, and it was a surprising thing for me that within 1 week, like being a bedridden person, within 1 week I could walk by all myself without any help. Was a wonder for me. It was all just because of Guruji's grace, and only because of RAL only it was all possible. all my gratitudes towards Guruji and to Lalitaji and Suritaji also. All my thanks to them. And my gratitudes to Guruji. Gurubhyo Namaha.
Maitreyaji, Guru Vandana.